Vehicle applications. Honda Accord, 2006 to 2015 Honda Civic, 2012 to 2015 Honda CROSSTOUR, 2007 to 2016 Honda CR-V, 2005 to 2017 Honda Odyssey, 2019 to 2022 Honda Passport, 2009 to 2022 Honda Pilot, 2006 to 2014, 2017 to 2022 Honda Ridgeline. Vehicle APPICATIONSCONT, 2007, 2011, ACURA, C, S, X, 2013, 2022, ACURA, I, L, X, 2007, 2020, ACURA, M, D, X, 2007, 2018, ACURA, R, D, X, 2005, 2012, ACURA, R, L, 2014, 2020, ACURA, R, L, X, 2004, 2014, ACURA, T, L, 2015, 2020, ACURA, T, L, X, 2004, 2014, ACURA, T, S, X, 2010, 2013, ACURA, Z, D, X, 2003 to 2022. Filter cross-references. Bosch P3875WS. Honda, 80219, S, H, JA01, 80292 SDA407, 80292, S, D, AA01, KNVF2001, Purolator C35519. Easy install. This cabin air filter is located behind the glove box and on average will only take 15 minutes to replace the old filter with a new filter. FRAM Fresh Breeze cabin air filters are the only cabin filter built with arm hammer baking soda combined with carbon embedded in the filter, helping to take out an odors that enter your vehicle through the ventilation system. The FRAM Fresh Breeze cabin air filter is the only cabin air filter that uses the natural deodorizing properties of arm hammer baking soda and activated carbon embedded in the filter. FRAM recommends changing your cabin air filter every 12,000 miles. Top reviews from the United States. Great product. Easy DIY installation. I forgot to change the cabin filter in my car for quite a while. When it occurred to me to do it, the thing was a dark gray and had lots of debris, like little pieces of dried leaves and seed pods, on it. Disgusting. Now I have this product set on autoship, so I get a new one every 6 months. Sometimes I delay it by a few months to combine it with other products into one shipment. But I am sure that I am changing this filter more than once per year. The car air conditioner works better, less blockage from a dirty filter. It's an easy job, do it yourself. Most cars have their filter housing behind dashboard glove compartment. You can drop the glove compartment out of the way and you'll see the filter compartment. Check YouTube for instructions for your car's make and model.